Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing a product review and a tutorial on the KISS Salon Dip Professional Dipping System. I'm going to show you how you can get these results right from your very own home. The kit contains 40 tips, there's 20 white and 20 clear, nail activator, a little sponge that's used for dusting, your brush on gel, your dip powder, and they come with 2 extra brushes in case you might need them. Here's your manicure stick. This is the little tray that you use to dip your finger into the powder. It has your two-sided nail file. And of course it comes with instructions. Next we're going to lay down something to protect our work surface. Then set up all of the items that you're going to be using to make things easier so that you have everything at reach. Then you want to fit the nails to each one of your nails before you get started by pre-sizing just to make sure that each nail fits. And if it don't, you just file it and size it to the shape of your nail.
Anyway.
A few of these nails did run rather wide, so I did have to cut and file the sides on a few of the nails. I'm going to open the powder now and pour it into the dipping tray so that when I get the nails on, I don't have to risk wasting the powder. The nails come with a pre-marked area to make it easy to see where you should apply your brush-on nail glue, which is what I'm doing now. I'm going to apply the brush-on nail glue to the tip of the nail, being sure to not get it onto the bottom of the nail so that I don't get any onto my skin when I apply it. Now I'm going to take the nail, apply it to my nail bed, and apply firm pressure for about 20 seconds. Be sure to hold it for about 20 seconds and then make sure that it is on your nail firmly by lifting it up or just wiggling it around to make sure that it's on firmly. So now I'm just cutting the tips to the desired length that I want, and it's easier for me to cut them as I go so that they're not interfering with the process of me putting them on. Now I'm going to take the file that came with the kit and file the nail into the desired shape that I want. And right now I'm going for the square shape. And after you've done filing, you're going to take the manicure stick and press back your cuticles to avoid from getting any gel or acrylic powder on your nails when you dip them. This is very important. Now I'm applying the brush on gel. Be careful to not get any on your skin or it will cause acrylic powder to get stuck onto your skin. So it is very important that you take care in this step, which is also important as why you should press back the cuticles with the manicure stick before moving on to this step. Next, you want to immediately dip your entire fingernail into the powder by carefully sliding the finger forward. Make sure you cover the entire nail bed and then tap off any excess powder onto the tray. Then gently dust off any loose powder from all 10 of the nails using the black sponge that came inside of the kit. After dusting, you're going to gently apply a second layer of brush-on gel, wiping the brush off in between each application, dipping the nail back into the powder for a second coat. Shake off any excess powder and then avoiding the skin, gently apply a generous amount of activator to all 10 of your nails. Using this four-sided buffer nail file that I found at Dollar Tree, I'm going to buff all 10 of my nails. Process of filing and buffing, so be sure to get any areas that are not shaped to your liking. Using a lint-free cloth, wipe your nail gently to remove any excess activator. And the final step is to apply an even layer of brush-on gel, just like you would the top coat, and let it air dry. And you can polish over the natural nail tips, or with the white tip, just like I used, just enjoy a regular French manicure as is. And this is the final results of the French manicure using the Kiss Professional Dipping System. I was very surprised with the results. I'm very happy with the results. I would recommend this kit to anybody. This was my first time ever doing any acrylic nails, and I have no complaints with this kit. I will have the link down below if you would like to purchase it. I ordered it off of Amazon. I have some Kiss Jewel nail art that I'm not going to be using in this tutorial, but I just wanted to show it to you guys. And I'm going to just add some sparkle to my nails by applying some glitter on the top coat. If you like this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up, share it with all of your friends, and before you go, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out.